Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jesus Global Consult YouTube channel. And if it's your first time coming across our channel, I will advise you to do us a favor by clicking on the like button and also staying subscribed, because in this particular channel we treat every information that is going to help you scale higher in your online business to gain more customers and make more sales. This is all we do in this particular channel, and we give you all the criteria involved in it in a step-by-step model for you to follow whatever we have done to do that and also see the results. And in this particular video is actually going to be teaching you how you can be able to fund your PayPal account. For instance, you find out that you want to make some transaction, but you notice that PayPal is, you don't know how you can be able to fund the PayPal account to make any payment you want to make online. Actually, this video is actually going to be teaching you what you need to do. And if you don't want to miss out, I will advise you to watch this video to the end to learn everything which I'll be talking about in this video, so you can also copy them and imitate them. So guys, do well to watch this video to the end and grab all the information and this detailed step-by-step model which we are going to be talking about in this particular video. And as I've said, watch out. So guys, welcome to the video. As I've said in my intro, this video is just going to be a vital and a more informative video, which I will advise you to do me a favor by watching this video to the end, gaining on the inside and the step-by-step procedures which I'll be discussing in this video, for you to gain the perfect insight of funding your PayPal account without stressing yourself or calling anybody to help you with it, doing it by yourself without any issues. These are what I'm going to be discussing in this video, and for you not to miss out, it is going to be better for you to watch this video in detailed format without skipping any parts. Thank you guys. So for those meeting me for the first time, my name is Richard Ojuhu, and on this channel we make sure that we treat any issues that we find out that is disturbing some persons, some businesses from growing or from boosting their sales. Actually, I believe that PayPal is something that is very rampant and is also common to every business owner. Anybody that wants to be patronized online have to have a PayPal account, and having a PayPal account is very informative and also vital. So it's a way to scale your business higher, because as an online earner, it is very important that you have something that can build more trust. And PayPal is more or less like a brand that is trustworthy by any person buying from you. And this is an advice I will give to you if you really want to know how you can be able to create and verify your business PayPal account. I'll be giving you guys a guided way of doing that. I have a course that teaches perfectly on how to legally verify this account, that you can start using it from anywhere you are and for any business that you are using it for. Though I will give you some criteria on what you need to avoid in order not to get limited or get banned, which is already in this course which I'll be teaching you guys, and I'll be dropping the link to this course in my description below. All you just need to do is to chat me up that you need the course. I will actually help you guys in getting the course and get access to it to start learning the perfect way of creating your business PayPal account. So that is just by the way, which I said I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can be able to fund your PayPal account with your card. Number one, we have different types of card, which is we have the physical card and we also have the virtual card. These cards have different usage, which is number one, the physical card and a card which are provided by your bank, by your local bank, which you use to make any transaction or make any payment withdrawal from the ATM machine or from the POS. While the virtual card are just cards that are being provided by a fintech company that you can use to make any transaction that you cannot easily carry around, but it's just that you're going to be given a detail for you to use it to make any payment that you want to make online. And the advantage to this card is just simple. If you're going to be using the physical card, the advantage you're going to be getting is that number one, whatever you're going to be buying online and international currency will be exchanged in the local bank exchange rate, which means you're not going to be going to the black market rate, and you'll be getting the rate in a sweet rate for you to easily transact. That is just the advantage in using the physical card, which is you're going to be getting every of your international transaction in the global market rate, which means you're not going to be going through the exchanges that are going to be giving you high exchange rate before you can be able to get any amount. That is just the advantage for using a physical card. And disadvantage attached to it is that one, you're going to be having a limited amount that you can spend. For instance, if you're going to be doing an international transaction, you're having a limited amount. As earlier this year, Nigerian card have given a $20 limit. That is the amount we can use to make any transaction for an international currency. So that is the disadvantage there. That means you're not going to be doing more than that within a month. So you see the disadvantage attached to our physical card. And when it comes to the virtual card has a whole lot of advantage, which means you can be able to use this to make any dollar transaction without any obstruction, which is very, very interesting. What you just need to do is you don't need to carry your card around. You just have to just put in the details of this card and make a payment from anywhere you are, without any issues. And that is how sweet it is. But the disadvantage there is you are not going to be getting a rate that is going to be suitable. Some fintech company can give you $1 at the rate of 1,000 plus. Some can even give you at the rate that is even more than what the bank can give you. So that is just how they make their own money. So you get that you're already feeding them by them serving you. That is how they work. So I believe with this few explanation, you'll be able to understand the advantage and disadvantage of these two cards. And now let us move on to this particular video, which I said I'll be giving you guys a guided way in order to use your card to fund your PayPal account. So I'll be going straight to the video, which is the card I'll be using. And as I've already said, listening to all I've said, I've always said digital card is perfect because this is what I'm using for any of my international transaction. And as for local card, I can use that too if I'm buying anything that is less than the limited amount that is given to each and every Nigerian card. So first of all, I have to go onto my dashboard to show you the account I created, and I'll be dropping a link to this platform. Now you can also create an account with them because they provide us with a perfect visual card with a good exchange rate that you can use for any international transaction. I'll be dropping a link below so you can click. Meanwhile, that is going to be like my referral link, so please do not forget to support us by clicking and registering with our referral code to get the bonus attached to your account.
So guys, as you can see, this is the platform I'm talking about, and this particular platform I've been using them for a while now, and you can see these are the amount I've been spending using this card. I've not even gotten any limitation using this card. So I advise you just click on the link below to register an account with them and start using them for any of your international transactions. So the next thing I'll be doing ahead now is to click on the card details. So once I click on this card details, you can use that to register, but for security reasons I will not be opening it. So I'll need you guys to just go on, register an account, click to get a card, and once you get in your card, you can now use that to make any transaction you want to do. And as for this video, which is what I'll be teaching you guys what you need to do here. So first of all, I will have to go onto my home. So this is my home. For you, if it's your first time, I will advise you go onto card, which you are going to be clicking there. Once you click on card, you can now easily ask for more, which is probably you can ask for your, if it is your first time, you can just say you want to at least get, what is the name, ask them to get a card for you. Probably it's not going to cost you more than $2 because this is the amount they charge for providing card. So once you've gotten a card, your details here are what you're going to be copying to PayPal. And our advice, once you are copying your details, please make sure that you copy the exact details here. So once you copy these details, I'll be going on to my PayPal dashboard to tell you how you can be able to link this card to your PayPal account. I'm in my PayPal dashboard. As you can see, this is my PayPal account, and this account has been what I've been using for most of my transactions, and it's a fully verified account, as you can also look at it. So meanwhile, as I said, I'll be showing you what you need to do in order to get access to this card, using your card in order to make payments and funding it. So as you can see, this account is a verified account, and the thing I just need to go ahead now is, because I already linked my bank account to it, so I've already linked the bank account to it. So this is just how this account is. So since I already have a card already, the next thing just go ahead is to link your card. You click on this to link your card. So you make sure that your card and every of the details you're going to be fixing, either is if your card provider is giving you a Visa card. Meanwhile, that can automatically change if you put in your card number, if it's either Visa card or MasterCard, your expiring date, your security code, and you click on link. That is just how it is, because I don't want to be linking this card yet, so I just want to show you guys how to do this. And once you've done that, you go out to your dashboard to change your payment settings. So that is just another thing. You have to go on to change your payment settings. So once you've done that, you go on to payment preference, which you have linked your card. As you can see, I already have a bank here, so I already have a bank linked to this account. What I just need to do is, if my bank is having some funds, I can easily ask PayPal to use my bank to make any payments. So you just go into payment preference here. So you can see this is what it is. If you have linked your bank, if you have linked the card I'm talking about, you'll be seeing your linked card here. So meanwhile, for instance, if you want to make any payment with your PayPal account, this one is more or less to tell PayPal where you want them to deduct the money from. So if you are the type of person that you have linked your card and you have already credited your card with the profile, if you have already credited your card, you can easily link the card here. So the funds you have in your card can automatically be used to make any payment. This is how sweet it is. And if you really want to do it, if you click on PayPal balance, and if you don't have enough, you can pick other method, which is either you tell them to go to your card or they go to your your bank. So this is how it is to do this. So the best thing you just need to understand is, once you have linked your card, you can click on the card to be your main way of making payment online, the preferred way to pay online. Once you click on it, you click on confirm, and once you've confirmed, whatever you're going to be buying with your PayPal can be used to make payment without, you can use that card to make payments for anything you want to purchase online. So that is just how it is to do this. So guys, I believe you understand how to be able to use your PayPal to make payments, even if you don't have any amount in your card, in your account. You can just link your bank, or you link your card. If you have funds in your bank account, easier for you, you choose on that preferred method of paying online. PayPal is going to be deducting directly from the card. If you have your card already linked, PayPal will be deducting directly from the card. And if it is for your bank, PayPal will be deducting directly from your bank. Why the balance is more or less, whenever someone pays you, the essence of this balance is probably you have received any payment and you have some amount in your PayPal balance. For instance, if I have some amount in my PayPal balance, I can just click on this part so that they'll be using the amount I have in my PayPal balance to make any purchases for me. This is just how it is to go ahead in making payment or funding your PayPal account. So guys, I believe you understand what I did and what I explained in this place. You link your card and choose card as the main way of making any of your payments online, and you make sure that you've already credited your card, so your card will have enough fund. And in doing that, the link I send in the description below is the link you're going to be clicking to register account. Once you register account, you get your card. Once you get your card, you make your payment for them to deposit some fund into your card. Once they have deposited it, you come ahead to PayPal, you link that same card, and once you've linked that same card, you can now choose the card as the main way of making payment online. And whenever you want to make any payment, PayPal reducts directly from the card and make your purchases for you. So that is just how sweet and easy it is to do this. I believe you understand what I explained in this particular video, so I advise you do well to create an account with the platform which I discussed about, and register with my referral code to get it done. So you'll be able to have some bonuses while creating an account. You'll be getting your card at a limited amount, which is probably, the last time I did mine was at $2. I was given a visual card, and you can also do your, probably if you use the card, the link I create, you'll be able to get it at that amount. Some are charging $5, some are even charging $4, but the last time I did mine was probably $2. So you can also learn that to also know how to do that. And if you are willing to know how to create a PayPal account for you, we can also help you in doing that. We can help you create a properly verified PayPal account that you can use for your business. So I know that with this few explanation, you'll be able to understand what I really mean on how to use your PayPal to make fund, or probably fund your PayPal in order to make any payment online. So guys, do well to please click on the like button, and do not forget to please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content and valuable content just as this. So see you in the next video guys. Bye for now.